Former FBI Director James Comey is pleading not guilty to 2 felony counts. He appeared in court as a defendant for the first time today. The case is set to go to trial in early January. As Christian Cordero reports, Comey's attorneys are already signaling plans to try and dismiss the case sooner, claiming the charges are politically motivated.
Former FBI Director James Comey pleaded not guilty today, professing his innocence as he did in a video he posted the day of his indictment.
And I'm innocent, so let's have a trial.
A trial by jury, but already his attorneys have laid out plans to get the case dismissed entirely because of what they consider vindictive and selective prosecution, essentially saying Comey was targeted because he's a perceived political enemy of President Trump.
They have to show that there is some sort of animus or vindictive nature as to why this person is being prosecuted rather than a legitimate legal reason.
Comey faces 2 felony counts, making a false statement to Congress and obstruction of an investigative proceeding before Congress, both stemming from a September 2020 congressional hearing about Russian interference in the 2016 election.
Look, he lied. This is just a simple case. He totally lied.
President Trump handpicked the prosecutor in this case, Lindsay Halligan, after firing her predecessor for not pursuing charges against another perceived Trump political adversary. Career DOJ investigators recommended the office not move forward with charges against Comey. Halligan filed them anyways. Outside court today, a show of support from Comey's family, including his daughter fired by the Trump administration as a federal prosecutor in New York, and his son-in-law who quit as a federal prosecutor from the office bringing this case against Comey.
My family and I have known for years that there are costs to standing up to Donald Trump. But we couldn't imagine ourselves living any other way. We will not live on our knees, and you shouldn't either.
The judge in this case set a trial date for January 5th, saying, quote, "I will not slow this case down," in response to the government's concerns about producing the necessary evidence. This will be Halligan's first time prosecuting a criminal case. Christian Cordero, ABC News, Washington.